Hello everyone. I'm going to talk something about gardening. This is mainly for the guys who are just starting gardening, who doesn't have any experience or knowledge about gardening. So I'm going to talk about a few plants. The first plant I'm going to talk about is periwinkle. Why I chose periwinkle is because this is the most easiest plant that can be grown. Okay, this plant uh, this plant is resistant to drought. That means even if you don't water it for few days, it is okay. Even if you don't fertilize it for long, it is okay. Even if it is in a shade for a long, it's okay. It will bloom almost throughout the year, every day. Okay, so that's the specialty of this plant. It's a no-brainer plant. It doesn't get insects attack easily, and the cow doesn't eat it. So wherever you want, you can grow it, and you don't need to choose any special soil or soil mix for that. Any type of soil, muddy, um, grainy, any kind of soil is good for this. So that's why I chose this plant
Color.
for starting. And the colors it has, mainly it comes with this purplish pink and white colors. It comes in other colors, but mainly I've seen mostly in these colors. So yeah, so this gives you no reason to say I cannot start gardening, because this is the plant that will let you start your gardening effortlessly. Okay, and I have few plants. If you guys are wondering where I will get it, you can take one from my house. Okay, you can drop in and then have a chat with me as well about gardening. That's my passion. Okay, have a nice day. Thank you.